Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change leverage on TradingView paper trading. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. Simply tap on the chart option that you can see right next to the option watch list. Now you'll be led to the chart interface. So when you connect to paper trading, certain value will be allocated to the leverages. If you want to change it, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on this icon that you can see on your screen right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your account interface of paper trading. So if you want to change them, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for reset account. So simply tap on it. Now once the account is reset, you can select the new leverage parameters that you want to use for your simulated trades. You'll be able to find the section for leverage over here. You'll be able to find the options like stocks, futures, forex, crypto, others. Simply identify the leverage that you want to change and tap on it. For example, I want to change the leverage for stocks, so I'm just going to tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you want to change multiple leverage parameters, simply follow the same process for all the leverages. Now after you're done, what you have to do is tap on the reset option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your leverages will be changed. So that is how you change leverage on TradingView paper trading. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.